If you're using Zoho Books to manage your accounting or to manage your invoices, and at the same time you want to be using Caflou to manage your cash flow or the whole company and its processes, you can integrate those two systems together. You can import data from Zoho Books into Caflou, into the cash flow module, or you can also export invoices or pro formas from Caflou to Zoho Books. If you want to do that, you need to go to Account Settings, Connector, and here you create a new connector. Name it here. You will pick the system. Zoho Books, you need to specify where your Zoho Books account is. So I'll just pick Europe and I'll click Connect. You will need to authenticate. If you already logged in into Zoho Books, it'll be quick. If you're not, you will need to log in, as a part of this process. Then you need to define what you want to import or export. You see there's two tabs, import, export. When you want to import data from Zoho Books, you will specify if you want to import companies, incomes, expenses. You can also set a date from when you want to import the data. So you can pick 1st of January if you want only data from 2021 and on. You can also select to have the system do it automatically. You click auto repeat and the system will import data every day, once or twice. The same with export. If you want to export data into Zoho Books, say received and issued invoices, you pick this. Again, you can specify from when and whether it's to be done automatically. If you are ready with this, you click Save and the connector is in here. Let's have a look at what gets imported into Caflou. What we can import is invoices and customers, and also vendors and expenses and bills. This is what gets imported if you have defined it in the connector settings. If you are exporting, you can export invoices received and issued, including the vendor or the customer, and also pro formas. So this is how you do it. Account settings, connector. Here you add a new connector. You will define what you want to import or export, and if you want to do it automatically or not. Once it's done, if you select it the automatic way, every day it will be importing or exporting, and you will be notified about the success and the results via notifications. Or you can do it anytime manually by clicking the refresh button, and again the process does what you defined in the settings.